The well. Okay, well, I think the well pump has finally gone out. It doesn't pump over 55 psi and it won't shut off the pressure switch. It's a new pressure switch. So the thing about this well is I have no idea what pump is in here. I have no idea how deep the pump is. I have no idea the static level of the water. I've tried the my fishing line with a string down in there, but I'm pretty sure there's a torque arrestor, which prohibits me from going any further. So, I've taken a look at this pitless adapter. It's junk. There's just no threads right here, so I can't thread it on a rod and pull it out. So I'm going to need to probably replace the pitless adapter on this, which in a way will help. It's all corroded. It's brass, probably from dumping bleach down in here. But, so anyway, I'm going to use this here. I'll put an A-frame ladder or something here. I've got to come along. And I'm going to disconnect the pitless, since that's my only hope. I can't attach to the pitless itself. I've got to wrap a cable or something around it, pull it up. So I'll go ahead and pull that up. Talked to an old boy down the road. Oh, he lives in Ballard. He said his well was 300 feet. Now I've checked. The thing about this is the weight. With that 1-inch pipe full of water, 300 feet is about 110, 112 pounds. So that's just the water that's inside the pipe. Plus the well, got to figure it's 50, or plus the pump, I got to figure it's 50 pounds. So anyway, once I start this, it's, it's going. I want to get a bunch of stuff. I want to get the driveway done, so in case this thing goes south, I can have somebody come in here and pull this out. I doubt that's going to happen. Come hell or high water, I'm pulling this thing out if I have to go buy a winch myself. But yeah, so I want to have all this stuff done so I can concentrate on this. I want to have the driveway fixed so that I can take the trucks into town and get parts and supplies if I need be. So anyway, that's our plan. Hopefully it's not 300 feet. This is number 12 wire. Yeah, it's supposed to be 10. If it's that deep, I just don't know. So once I get this out, I'll see what the well pump is, try to match it. Of course, I'll run the formula, see how much head I've got, see how many horsepower I'm going to need, and how many gallons per minute. I'll play all that. But anyway, this is a big ordeal. I can do it. Totally capable of doing it. It's just, you got to have the equipment. It's another two-man job, and I've got to, I'm good at this. I work three-man jobs by myself. It's just you got to prepare. And so anyway, that's what we've got going, and we'll start this. Looks like maybe after Memorial Day. I can still get a little water. I can still take a small bath, and it just doesn't shut off the pressure switch down there, so it reaches 55 psi, and the pump will just keep on running and running and running. So at least for now I can get a shower, and that's what I need on these hot days. Anyway, this is just the evaluation of everything and what I'm doing, and in case you wanted to know, my love, this is what I'm doing.